All right, so part number 2, we can kind of borrow part 1 and add on to it. So part number 2 says, program the coding for the lab so the motor will start and run at a speed of 77 for 3 seconds. So speed of 77 for 3 seconds. Let's go speed of 77 for 3 seconds. That part's done. What's next? After time has elapsed, the motor will stop for 1 second. So the motor stops for 1 second. So the motor stops for how long? That's right, 1 second. What's next? And it says the motor will start again, turning in the opposite direction at a speed of 35 for 3 seconds. So it starts again, but opposite direction. So starting again, opposite direction for 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Opposite direction at a speed of something 35. 35 is the same direction. How do we go opposite? The hint is, think in a math class on a number line, which direction is positive, which direction is negative. So number line, we're going up the number line, we're going down the number line. So something has to happen here for it to go in the opposite direction. And then the motor will stop, the program ends. So that means after this, the motor starts, the motor runs, the motor stops, the motor waits. The motor starts, the motor runs, the motor stops. Program ends. Again, fix this, we can go opposite direction. There's program number 2.